Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove default clothes in Roblox Avatar. First, open up your browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. And once you have done that, go to this three-bar line at the top left of the site, and this will open up the navigation menu, and you're going to click on Avatar right here. From here, you can go to Recent and click on All. And we can then deselect any clothing you want to remove on your character. You just click on them to remove the check and the clothing that you don't want. And after that, we can go to the head and body section and click on skin tone right here. From here, you can change the skin tone of your character. For example, I'm going to set it to white. And you can then click on advanced right here at the bottom right part. And you can select the torso part and change it to any color, and that will basically remove the clothing and have the illusion of our character wearing no clothes. And that is how you can basically remove default clothes in Roblox Avatar. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.